everybody.
Hi.
Hello. Yes, we're back again, hell of a walk. We've come today to a place called Hackfall Woods, which is just outside Ripon. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful place. I've seen a lot of things on YouTube about it, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Waterfalls, follies, streams, stepping stones. It looks like it's going to be a really lovely place. Yep.
Yeah, and we're very lucky because if you look around, there's hardly any. Well, there's a few clouds, but they're nice fluffy ones. I like to cloud gaze and look at the clouds. Like, oh, there's a doggy and a scales, a pussycat. But we're very lucky to come out today on a beautiful, beautiful summer's day. So, as I always say, come along and join us on our nice walk and see what adventures we may encounter. But one word of a warning: if I see anything like a folly or anything like that, I will be a giddy kipper. Just a little bit. All right,
just for a change.
Just for a change.
Yeah, so come along with us, and if you're watching us for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please do. And don't forget, the reason that we do this is walking for wellness. Walking for wellness. So yeah, do come along and let's have a little journey.
Come along, come along.
We've come down the path and we found something absolutely gorgeous. Well, I'll show you this. What a beautiful little stream and waterfall. That is nice. And it runs all the way down there. It really is beautiful here. Really nice. And we've only gone round a small portion of it so far. come down past a really long river, flowing river with lots of little waterfalls, and we found this like folly. It's got a very faint date which I've taken a photograph of above the door. But if I spin this round, if you can look up through the valley there's some ruins. It's amazing, this place, it really is. You just find so many surprises around the corner. It's great, lovely place. This place does not disappoint. Some lovely pathways and...
Peekaboo!
Who's that?
Here I am! I'm hiding in an old ruin.
It's the lady of the manor.
Yeah, the lady of the manor, that's me, darling.
Let's have a look at your manor.
Crumbling.
You've not been keeping this place very well, have you? Crikey.
No, I've let it go to Wreck and Ruin.
You have, yeah.
In fact, if you go on here, there's some old 1987, some years etched on here. Another 1987.
It'll be backwards, way
Yeah.
around on the camera.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it's a nice little ruin, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, very nice.
I wonder how far back this goes.
I don't know. And forward we go.
Highly advise you to wear your walking shoes,
Yeah.
walking boots. Start trainers, they've got to be very, very straight, but please also remember to drink plenty of water as well.
Quite a lot of steep paths and stairs, and when it's been raining it can be a little bit slippy, so
Word of caution.
yeah, word of caution, just bring some appropriate footwear, but just be careful, that's all. But if you want to get the nice views and the beautiful places, you've just got to put the graft in, and it's well worth it, definitely well worth it here, because there's some lovely little follies. We've seen some sort of a castle ruin at the top of the hill, so we're going to have to put some more graft in, but yeah, fully I'd recommend this.
And it's clearly marked, there's different pathways as well, to the ruin, to the water, whatever. You can follow different pathways, so the routes are there, and you know exactly where you're going, and they're well posted.
Yeah, it's a very hot day today, so...
Really hot. I mean, look at me, I'm sweating.
I'm actually glad we're in woodland, so you do have plenty of shade here, so, and you've got the river and the streams, and there's some lovely little waterfalls. There's absolutely no end of waterfalls.
26. 26 degrees it is today. Very, very hot. What's that, 80 something?
I don't know, it's warm.
But 84,
it's warm.
86, 80, 85,
Yeah.
80 something. It's in the 80s anyway, it's really warm.
So yeah, fully recommend Hackfall Woods, absolutely. It's absolutely stunning. We've not finished yet. So we'll carry on and we'll catch up with you soon.
Why can't the people just clean the mess up? It is disgusting. Please, 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 how many more times do I have to do? Get on my hands and knees. Please, just take the dog poo home. Is the dog poo fairy going to come and collect it? As I've always said, no. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Not the dog's fault, it's the owner. Can you imagine how dirty the house is? Disgusting is that? Filthy, unsociable, disgusting. I'm absolutely disgusted with that.
So that concludes our walk around Hackfall Woods. It's absolutely fantastic. Can't recommend it highly enough. I think we've probably done between 3 and 4 miles.
Yeah, about 3.5 4 miles, yeah.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here. Fully recommend it. I'll put some information up, but once again, thank you for following us. If you do like what we do again, do subscribe, give us a like and a share. But from us, we'll see you on the next walk, and thanks for watching us.
Thank you for watching, definitely. Was I sign off by saying, love you, take care, and come and follow us again on the next journey.
Bye.
You're welcome, bye.